Hey, Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will understand about how to improve your immune cells properly and function properly and give the health of the immune system. So remember about that. So basically the three things I will discuss and you can recognize about that so you can understand as well. So basically the three things we will understand. Number one thing is the exercise, and two is the ketogenic diet, and the three is the fasting. So let's understand about, and we will target to the immune cell only. So what is the composition of immune cell? Basically the immune cell also contain plasma membrane, nuclear membrane. So basically it's a 60% fat, like the phospholipid in the bilayer of phospholipid in the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane, and other organelle, the all membrane, for example mitochondria, Golgi bodies, all contain a fat. So our body requires too much fat for the normal function of the immune cell. So in this way, for example, you should omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, which that is unsaturated fatty acid, which that contain a basically double bond, and in this way the hydrogen saturation is less as compared to the saturated fat. But you should also natural saturated fat, which that not trans unsaturated fat, but you should consume the cis unsaturated fat, which that is naturally. But anyhow, you should consume the ketogenic diet. In this way, the number of calories should be higher from the fat, while the less from the protein, as compared to the Atkins diet. In this, protein is 15%, while the fat is 60%, and the carbohydrate should be a less. Basically, it can be a 0. And in this way, you can improve the fat in your body, and that fat will use to basically also buffer the insulin. When insulin will buffer, increase the growth hormone, and increase the growth hormone will trigger more and more basically health of the immune cell. In this way, the immune cell proliferation, immune cell maturation, and immune cell production will increase due to the growth hormone, and the growth hormone will increase due to the ketogenic diet, due to the buffering of the insulin, while insulin buffer will stimulate to more production of the growth hormone. This is the number one thing. And let's understand about the second one, fasting. Then we will understand the exercise. So the exercise is the separate, but the fasting also spike the growth hormone due to the buffering of the insulin whenever you will not intake the food. So in this way the insulin will buffer, so the fasting increase the growth hormone, and the growth hormone target for the lipolysis, increase the free fatty acid and the triglyceride, as well as the low density lipoprotein in your blood, which that function for the production, proliferation, maturation, and differentiation of the immune cell. In this way your immune cell will function properly by the using of that all fat which that is deposited in your body, and in this way your body which that provide the fat to the immune cell for function properly. In this way your body will function properly, and in this way your immune cells will function properly. Your body basically function properly due to the immune cell maturation, differentiation, and working proper. And that is the two things. And in this way the third one is the exercise. When you will work hard and then you will go for the recovery, whenever you will go into the sleep, so the growth hormone will spike. When growth hormone will spike, in this way the lipolysis again trigger, and exercise also give the strength of your immune cells, and strength basically overall health will improve, so blood circulation will be improved, so blood vessel will improve, and in this way your blood circulation will improve near the skin, and in this way the infection chances will be less. In this way the viral infection, bacterial infection, and other infection like fungal and other allergic infection will be declined due to the exercise. And this is due to the blood circulation, which that contain a higher number of the immune cell function properly near the skin when you will work hard. So in this way, so important things is that you should do these three things, and after this you should sleep. And in this way, whenever you will go into the sleep, your body want to recover, and in this way your body will recover to produce more and more growth hormone for recovery, and in this way your body will full fresh and you can gain all these things. like you can gain also muscle, you can lose also fat, your body physiology will change, and in this way your bone strength will improve. I hope you make sense about that. Immune cells important for our whole life, and in this way our body will prevent to infection of the other pathogens. In this way our body will function properly, so we can live longer, and in this way the inflammation will decrease due to the you are already giving the shock of your body through fasting. Ketogenic diet itself is the shock of your body for change the physiology due to the change of the diet plan. On the other hand, the exercise also the shock which that will give the health benefit and give the reverse of the aging, and in this way the aging will stop, and in this way your immune system function properly. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video for this one. Bye. Allah Hafiz.